Indoda etyholwa ngokubulala ngenkohlakalo uLikhona Force wayeneminyaka eli-14 ubudala uMduduzi Mnisi inikwe ibheyili ye-R5,000 inkundla kaMantyi yaseRoodepoort ebutsheni banamhlanje. Okuzemva kokuba inkundla igqibe kwelokuba akukho bungqina baneleyo obudibanisa uMnisi nokubhubha kukaForce, nto leyo ethintela ukuba aqhubeke avalelwe. Kodwa nangona kunjalo uMnisi uza kuhlala elugcineni lwamapolisa ngenxa yokuwaphula imiselo nemiqathango yenqawule malunga nesigwebo sakhe sangaphambili sokuphanga nokuzama ukubulala ngo-2007. Okanye ke eli tyala kulindeleke ukuba libuyele enkundleni ngolwesihlanu.
Kusinda kuyehlela kumndeni wentombazanyana eyabulawa ngesihluku uLikhona Force njengoba icala osukeni lanamhlanje libuyele enkantolo kwesine. Kuzokhumbuleka ngesonto eledlule ngolwesithathu ummangalelwa uye waletha isinqandamathe sakhe uPinky Khonze okuyena ongena ebhokisini lofakazi. uPinky ethula ubufakazi bakhe phambi kwenkantolo yeMantshi uye wabikela inkantolo ukuthi wayenesinqandamathe sakhe ngomgqibelo ebusuku kwaze kwaba yisonto.
Well, investigations are ongoing. We take note of the court's remarks. The investigating officer presented his affidavit stating that the accused is linked through a statement of a single witness that alleged to have seen the accused on the day of the disappearance of the deceased person. That the person states that they've seen the accused in the company of the deceased on the day she disappeared. So as a state, we are continuing with our investigation. We are still busy consulting some of our witnesses, and we will thereafter be in a position to state how this matter will proceed going forward.
Umphenyi okuyena ophethe leli cala owaletha ummangalelwa ngaphambi kwenkantolo yeMantshi uMoses Simusa ungenile ebhokisini lofakazi la ethulele khona inkantolo yeMantshi ngokwenzeka nokwaholela ekutheni ambophe ummangalelwa. Uthi ngekhathi senza uphando igama likaMmangalelwa belilokhu livela kumalungu omphakathi ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi uyamataniseka naleli cala.
The court called the parole officer from the Department of Correctional Services. He gave testimony about the conditions that were set for the accused to be released on parole. And now that his phone was placed at Davidson, the parole officer indicated in court that he is indeed in violation of his parole conditions.
uSimusa ulethe ubufakazi obuqoshwe kumakhalekhukhwini kaMmangalelwa obufakazela ukuthi nakanjani ngomhla ka-31 May wabonakala endaweni yaseDavidson kwathi ngezithuba zabo 8 ntambama wabonakala endaweni yaseKagiso. Lokhu kuphikisana nobufakazi obethulwe nguPinky Khonze phambi kwenkantolo yeMantshi yaseRoodepoort uma kubhekwa amarekhodi amakhalekhukhwini. Kanti ummangalelwa ubesenikezwa ibheyili ka-R5,000 kulindele ukuthi abuyele enkantolo mhla ziyi-14 kuNtulikazi kunyaka ka-2025. Kanti ezindabeni zeSoweto TV nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngisenkantolo yeMantshi yaseRoodepoort.